JMac360. This morning I am heading down to Redding, California from Seabeck, Washington. It's going to be a wet ride this morning, but my day one of a 5-day trip going down to California and back. Just need to get another ride in before winter hits, so gear up and come along with me. I probably won't do much recording this first set until I get out to Portland, just because it's going to be wet this morning. So yeah, hope you guys have fun. Follow, like, subscribe, follow, but gear up, come along with me. First, take the gas down. It's been a wet ride, but pretty easy so far, not too much traffic. I am 200 miles into the trip and I have like 500 more to go, I think. So yeah, so keep coming along with me and I'll check back in later. I just got checked into my room here at the Oxford Inn and Suites in Redding, California. So took about 9.5 hours to get here, and I like it. It's a nice room. Check it out. The sink and the bathrooms over there is pretty nice. Clean little couch, a little working area over there, so I can upload some videos. Not exactly sure how long this video will be, or if there'll be more than one, but it's a few days trip, so maybe I'll drop this video number 1 and then do a couple of parts on there. But I'm gonna relax, wait to meet some friends for dinner, and then we're gonna head out here in the morning and head out to Paso Robles and then down to Ventura, California. Hope you're enjoying it, and give me a like, follow if you want, leave a comment please. Where do you stay when you go down to California, or what's your hotel of choice? So